Hello, first grade. All right, we are going to play yet another round of quick images. Are you ready? You got something to write with? You got something to write on? You know the drill by now. We're going to figure out the total amount of dots on the two cards. Okay? I'm going to be proactive. I'm going to draw my two cards. Okay? When they pop up, I'm going to fill in the dots, make an equation, and then figure out how many dots there are total. Are you ready? Set. Here it is. Whew! That was a tough one. All right. Did you write at least something down? Okay. Now here's your chance to revise. Did you guys know you could revise something in math? Ready? Go. Okay, did you get it? Did you at least count the total number of dots? If you did, write that number down. All right, Miss Helvy's got your equation. Show me yours. Okay, I saw 7 dots on this card and 8 on this one. Did you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what's 7 and 8 added together? Well, in my head, I know 7 and 7 is 14, plus one more is 15. Let's see if Miss Helvy was right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. Or you could count like this. Well, I know this card has 7. Let's count on from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome job. Clear your dots. Clear your equation. And let's get ready for the second image. Ready? And here it is. Whew. Shoo. That was a hard one. Let's get rid of that. All right. Did you guys make your dots? Let's see it again. See if you make any changes after seeing it for the second time. See if you revise your dot cards. All right. I've got mine. Do you have yours? I'm going to add mine together. Holy moly. We have the same equation. But my dots look different, don't they? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Huh. They were just rearranged differently. How about that? Hope you guys are getting a little bit better at quick images. I can't wait to play this in the classroom. Oh, I hope we come back soon. These are some of my favorite games. But good job, guys. See you later.